Alright, Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera semua. Bertemu aku lagi Nash dalam Nash Channel. Alright, let's go. So, hari ni hari Ahad, Hari Raya Haji lah. 8 hari bulan 6. Okay. So, hari ni planning, aku tak ada planning yang sangat pun. Ya kan, motor ni tak pernah sampai ke Highway Temyang. Dah sampai PD, dah sampai Genting, Temyang belum sampai lagi. Kita pergi Temyang punya highway, kita ambil gambar semua, betul kita balik lah. So aku seorang jadi ni, tak ada apa pun. Saja buat konten sikit untuk korang kan, mana dah tahu. Okay, so far itulah planning asal dia. Saya tak tahulah kan. Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's go. Aku rasa aku tak banyak cakap pun dalam hari ni. So mungkin korang boleh enjoy je lah view kan. Enjoy. Tapi ni nak pergi, aku memang akan ikut lekas. So nak pergi lekas ni kejap juga ni. Tak apa, kita relax santai dulu. Kita menikmati alam. Walaupun aku pakai naked bike kan, tapi aku suka naik highway. Sebab highway ni kita macam santai, kita boleh relax, kita boleh menikmati alam lah. Kalau corner-corner nanti kan kita tak boleh fokus kan. Tapi kadang-kadang nak corner-corner best juga sebenarnya. Tapi sebenarnya naked bike ni tak berapa sesuai naik highway, tapi aku suka. Dapat rasa angin kan. Pagi-pagi ni pukul 7.30 ni, sejuk dia kan, memang best lah. Santai je hari ni, menikmati pagi yang sunyi. Inilah cara aku healing. Kita dah stres kerja 6 hari, 5 hari kan. So inilah cara kita nak release kita punya penat tu kan. Langsung hilang penat lepas strike. Dia penat tu ada, tapi keseronokan tu ada.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away.
Alhamdulillah. Tak ramai, tak banyak kereta. Ni geng skuter ni. Macam geng touring ni. Macam ni lah lawa kan. Tengok, sampai pun. Kan cantik ni. Dengan cahaya mataharinya. Ada kampus. Memang sejuk, sejuk gila. Sejuk gila. Ya Allah. Tapi memang cantik lah. Inilah cara aku relax kan. Walaupun dah banyak kali datang sini, tapi still lagi worth it lah untuk view dia. Lagi-lagi time macam ni kan. So memang tepat time yang sesuai lah. Ya Allah, terbakar kereta Jazia ke Viva. Alhamdulillah. Kita berhenti dekat spot yang biasa kita berhenti, dekat sini. Cantiknya pemandangan. Kampus ada